Today, I am going to be talking about economics. What is economics? The two branches of economics, which are micro and macroeconomics. I will show questions that may arise in the society and economy try to solve them. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit on subscribe. Give us or provide your comment and tell us what you need to know in this course, either macro or microeconomics and other sub-branches like labor economics, international economics or international trade, anything you need to know in this field. Either you are a student or you are economist veteran, please tell us what you need to know and we will try to provide anything regarding or can answer your question. Economics is a social science that concerns production, distribution, consumption of goods and services. It studies how individuals, businesses, governments make a choice about the limited resources allocation. However, it does not just describe what goes in economy, but attempt to explain how the economy operates and to make a prediction about what effects a crop failure will have on a crop price, what effects a given increase in the sales tax will have on the price of finished goods, how much consumer demand will change if the government increases a sales tax. The two questions here are regarding microeconomics, and one is about macroeconomics, as the government decided to increase sales tax. That means it's a macroeconomy decision. But what effect a crop failure will have on a crop price? This is question is regarding individuals, farm and producers in the agriculture production. What effect given increase in the sales tax will have on the price of finished goods? This is it's also about farms or any factory that produce a good, and the tax affected the price. All those questions is answered by applying mathematical tools. Even though economy is social sciences, but it's all about optimization, because in the world we don't have everything we need, but we try to allocate our limited resources in the appropriate way. For example, relationship between the quantity of sorghum consumer wish to buy and the price of sorghum might be expressed as this. An example: what can happen if the consumers need quantity of the product or this product, which is the sorghum, how the price will affect the quantity they demand or they want. Quantity of sorghum equal to 2000 kg if the price is 0, but quantity will drop down by 500 kg for every one price rise in the price of a kilo of the sorghum. This problem expressed as the linear relationship in this video. Quantity demand equal to 2000 minus 500 kg times the price. If the price is 0, the demand will be equal to 2000 kg of the sorghum. But if the price increases to 1, the 500 kg will drop down, and the consumers will remain by having the 1,500 kg due to the price increase. To understand this, I have provided and designed graphical to show this clearly. If the price is 0, the demand will be 2000 kg. If the price increases to 1, the demand will drop down to 1,500 kg of the sorghum. If increased to 2, also will continue to drop up to 0 when the price equals to 4. The demand will be equal to 0. I think you understand this very well. Thank you very much, and don't forget to hit on subscribe. We will continue to share the knowledge and the skills in a different field. Thank you very much.